Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Here's this E46 I found on the marketplace. Maybe it found me, I don't know. This is like the 5046 I've owned, 330i, but never the CHP. So I found this one. So it's a model I always wanted. I've had quite a few Bimmers and not this one. So overall, it's a pretty good condition. Interior is in pretty decent shape. It's gonna need some minor attention. Steering wheel, the radio needs replacement. I'm gonna probably rewrap the steering wheel. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the find. So after about 3 hours of waiting in Clearwater Beach, the truck finally arrived, and we made it home in about an hour or so. It was a pretty interesting ride with the rain and all, really downpour. But after all that, I decided to give it a wash and check out the vehicle paint after I dried it up and see how much work I was going to have to do with it. Thinking about clay barring it, polishing it, and doing whatever it takes to make sure the paint looks clean and back to a decent condition. I did as much as I could, especially in this area here. After 2.5 years, it's going to be full of grime. It's going to be pretty dirty, so sprayed it with some degreaser spray. A little bit of a brush action there, and did the best I could to try to keep it clean. So overall, let's see how this car goes. I'm hoping that once I get all this taken care of, which is the cleaning, I can start tackling the mechanics and the most important things that the car needs for it to ride and drive properly. Overall, again, I think it's a pretty decent buy. I'm just hoping that I don't regret it, because you know how it goes when you buy these type of cars. You find out it's more than you thought it was. But we shall see, We shall see. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully after I get this video up, I'm gonna start working on some of the stuff that I think I need to work on first and upload as I go along, because after all, it's not gonna be a one-day project. Here, you can see the difference in paint already from my X3M, how shiny it looks compared to the E46, which it's been sitting there just getting blasted by the sun and no wax, no nothing, no attention whatsoever. But that's all going to be corrected, like I said earlier. It's going to get clay barred, polished. Same with the glass, that it's all dull and it's got a lot of streaks. Compared to the X3M as well, you will see that it's nice and shiny because I polished them and put some ceramic coating on it. So, thanks again for watching.